Hey, you guys. Hey. How are you guys doing? It's Lillyog coming at you with the ones and twos. Try to put it on paper because it's safer. No beat because this is free. Today we have some packages. And I'm going to get ready to open them up. I think I want to open up this package first because I don't remember what this is. So let's see what that is. Woohoo! Do you guys hear Real One's song in the background? I ain't tripping, boo. Oh, the coconut oil. Let me tell you the story behind this coconut oil. I was watching feminine products. Thank you. I got a cookie. I want a cookie. I want a cookie. Yay, I want a cookie. Surprise. You see, I want a cookie. It's good. It's delicious. Lillyog thinks real cookies are awesome. Can you guys guess what flavor this is? Because I'm trying to guess too. That tastes really good. It's good.
Damn, making me want to get one. That was the first time. I was coming, peeking through the lens, so posh, it's nuts.
Subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends if you want to win some cookies. And let us know how many people you shared it to.
This tastes good.
Just to use up, man. Just hit 1K. Alright, and we're back. Just got finished doing some
peanut butter chocolate.
I was watching feminine hygiene YouTube videos, and they were saying coconut is good if you want to smell good and you want your skin to be smooth.
Still got some of the tickets here. If you guys want to check that out. It's on deck. But yeah, here's my thing, right? When it comes to getting this showcase,
next thing.
I didn't know you were doing a video. I just realized you were doing a video.
Oh, okay. I'm not going to tell you who our vendor is, but
Hide the thing.
we got to take it out the thing.
You hide the address, right?
Ooh, look at these pants. Why they got some see-through pants? These pants are see-through. What they trying to say?
That's not what it looked like in the thing. It was hard though.
It looks nice. Yeah.
Thanks,
We should have him try it on, right?
He's hitting. I was gonna go. No, I can still wear these. I'll just wear like some tights with long, you know what I'm saying? I'll wear, like,
You could
these.
try them under.
I'll wear something like this and put it under it so it's not gonna show. I can put that under it. Put something like black. These are. Alright, yeah, they hitting. This is exact. What? They hitting, man. They hitting. You got 2 more packages on here.
They're missing one of my. I ordered something else, but it didn't come in yet.
So you put orders for me and you?
Oh, more clothes. No more clothes. No, not more clothes. Oh, you guys see the towels? The towels. Ain't nothing like some fresh towels. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Some nice towels.
There's some more in there.
Yeah, you got some nice towels.
Okay.
They feel like blankets. They're towels, but they're so good they feel like blankets. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, now we're done opening all the packages.
Tell them about what's popping, man. New song out. New song just dropped.
The new song is out. You guys check it out. Babe, could you play the walk in? The walk in song?
It was on just now. That was what was playing.
No,
I just turned this back on. But yeah, hold on.
He's gonna play it.
You wanna play it now?
Yup.
I'm trying to get.
You probably gotta go to search.
I know I ain't gonna get yellow mark for that.
That right there. It's right there. Okay. You guys listen to this. We should put the volume up.
That's your track. Tell us what you think.
Let us know what you think.
You should be singing it. That's your song. Alright, you guys. So that's the track. New tracks coming out.
Let them listen to the whole thing.
Love you.
Love you, chocolate chip. I shouldn't even say that on camera. That's our secret thing.
Alright, so originally this song was written by yours truly, Lillyog. Give it up. I'm gonna start editing more, but I haven't been because the way that this thing works, I just want to go up and straight live. So, but the song is trapped. The track is lit. Like the song is trapping. Like it's really good. But what I wanna do, you're supposed to be the one that is singing the song. I uploaded the song so that you could do it. When you gonna do it? When you gonna give him?
The song was written for you.
It was written. You were supposed to be the one that was gonna write it. All right. And I write on trap beats, so like make sure that y'all go there and check it out. But originally, I think it was supposed to be written. You were supposed to be singing it. Because Lily sings. Go to hashtag Lillyog Music RDLTV Productions and go there. Signed artist, one signed artist on Team No Sleep. Oh, you gotta tell me the exit, the intro.
Okay, ciao. It's Lillyog coming at you with the ones and twos. Try to put on paper because it's safer. No, because it's just free. Ciao.